Let's talk about one of the traits PDP Global measures called dominance. The higher your dominance, the more you'll naturally feel the need to take charge of situations you find yourself in. Not only are you a self-starter, but you're confident and will not shy away from challenges. You consistently push forward to accomplish goals and may wonder why the people around you are not as driven as you. You're willing to share your opinions because why bother beating around the bush? Because you enjoy solving problems and looking at the big picture, you're naturally competitive and willing to do whatever it takes to get things done. You are strategic in ensuring results and find that you're most productive when you're not micromanaged. Let's take a look at a man named Andrew, who has dominance significantly above the midline. Andrew really likes to get things done. As a take-charge type of person, he has no problem taking the lead on a team project. He gets straight to the point, so no one needs to guess what's on his mind. He is a decisive and confident person who talks directly to team members he perceives are not pulling their weight, so that he can understand what is going on. Also, his initiative on tasks pushes his team members to strive to complete their projects, which can significantly benefit a high-performing team. For more information about dominance or any other trait, check out pdpglobal.com.